Hey everybody, I just got John Bead's latest Curiosities subscription bead box and I'm going to show you what's inside. I have seen all of the subscription bead boxes out there and not one of them compares to what John Bead offers. Not only are their boxes filled with unique, antique, and hard to find beads, they are generous beyond compare. Every month when my box arrives, I am blown away by what's inside. This month, the theme is Aurora Borealis, and these beads are just like the colorful charged solar particles swirling through the night sky. Every bead chosen for this box is inspired by the dancing colors in the northern lights. I was reading about the top 5 jewelry trends for 2026, and beads of all kinds are on the list. So if you're looking to treat yourself this year or treat someone else who loves creating with beads, this monthly Curiosities subscription bead box from John Bead is for you. I know you will love it, and anyone you get it for will love it too. I'm going to leave a link to everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want inspiration that I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. And if you want even more inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2, and I'll see you real soon. Bye everybody.